The Liberty New York Rotary Club, in partnership with Operation Endeavor, have embarked on a mission to help our friends in need in Central America. The disaster relief efforts are in collaboration with the Rotary Club of Belize and Rotary-based Belize Disaster Relief Team, focusing on families in the villages and communities impacted by the recent hurricanes. After seeing this presentation, it is our hope that you will help us to spread the word of the devastation and impact on the families, and that you might find it in your hearts to help us help others by making a donation. So here's what's happening. Hurricane Eta, a Category 4, and Hurricane Iota, a Category 5, struck Central America within days of each other this November. Over 5 million people were impacted in the region, including tens of thousands who still need shelter, food, water, and other basic necessities. In Belize, severe flooding devastated numerous small agricultural villages where many were already living in poverty. The Rotary Club of Belize and the Rotary-based Belize Disaster Response Team have partnered with local stakeholders, international aid organizations, and the Belizean government to provide relief to those impacted. Food, shelter, and hygiene kits are being assembled by the volunteers. The survival kits are delivered to the villages, often by boat, while some villages are only accessible by helicopter. The Red Cross estimates the recovery of damaged areas of Central America will take at least 2 years. More help is needed, and we have been asked to provide what we can. So what are we doing to help? The Liberty New York Rotary Club is leading a fundraising effort to provide immediate support, including the purchase of additional supplies and food for delivery to impacted families. Operation Endeavor is evaluating opportunities to partner with the Belize Emergency Response Team to build resiliency and preparedness for future disasters through education and the distribution of basic disaster relief and medical supplies. So why did we choose this mission? The impact of this disaster is widespread, severe, and overwhelms the capacity of the local disaster response team. In developing countries, natural disasters are even more devastating to already poverty-stricken populations due to the lack of developed emergency response infrastructure or insurance programs for individuals and businesses. We strive to target especially vulnerable and rural populations, such as those found in the Belizean countryside, in our work, both domestically and abroad. The Liberty New York Rotary Club and Operation Endeavor have a proven track record for successful disaster response, including local efforts such as the recent Operation Feed and hurricane relief responses to Texas, North Carolina, and Puerto Rico. Partnering with the Rotary in Belize provides direct communication and coordination with key players in the actual disaster relief effort. This model for disaster relief has proven effective in all of our previous efforts. We received a direct request for help from the Belize Emergency Response Team and subsequently from the Rotary Clubs of Belize and Belize Sunrise. We truly believe that when we are contacted by other Rotary Clubs elsewhere in the world seeking our help, specifically because of our past outstanding work in helping others who have faced natural disasters, we as Rotarians and humanitarians have an obligation to respond and help. We are proud of the worldwide attention which our disaster relief efforts have received. The following video was produced by a member of the Belize Disaster Relief Team, and the photos and images say it all. Please help us help others. 100% of the donations received for the Belize Disaster Relief Mission will go to the Rotary Club of Belize to purchase supplies in country for the survival kits and dry bags. Liberty New York Rotary Club and Operation Endeavor are people of action. WGSD. Crucial supplies and food are now being delivered to villages impacted by the disaster.